Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. See your girl Benny of Benny's Kitchen. How is everyone doing? Guess you guys are doing so great. If you are passing by for the first time, thank you so very much. And if you've been following me, I say thank you so very much. Keep liking my videos, keep sharing, follow me and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. So guys, today we are making this peanut stew. Not peanut soup, but peanut stew. We're taking rice, pasta, yam and ripe plantain. So guys, if you want to see how I'm making this peanut stew, then watch this video to the end. So guys, let's start cooking. So guys, for our peanut stew, let us run through the ingredients that we'll be using. So you can see we have salt here. This is our salt. We are using chicken. This is soft chicken. You can use any protein of choice. I have 2 bulbs of onions here. One is for the meat and one is to fry the tomatoes. Here I have some vegetable oil. This is our peanut, roasted so fine. This is our tomato paste. Then I have some dry prawn for just flavor. Then I'll be using scent leaf. You can use ugu leaves or any leaf of your choice. Then in my bowl here, I have tomatoes, blended tomatoes. I have ginger, I have onions, I have garlic, I have pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, and Shomgbo pepper, which is fresh cayenne pepper. These are all I have in here. But if you don't want any of them, you can take them out. And I have no cube that we'll be using. Then I have my seasoning. This is the seasoning for the meat. I have curry powder, I have thyme, I have chicken seasoning, I have dry paprika or smoked paprika, I have ginger powder, and I have rosemary here. Then here I have a bay leaf. This is for the meat seasoning. Then for the stew itself, I'm using my bay leaf, all-purpose seasoning, thyme, mixed spice, and here I have curry powder too. So guys, let's start cooking. So guys, in the pot, I'll just pour in the chicken, and I'll add in some salt, add in all the seasoning, smoked paprika, bay leaf, thyme, curry, ginger, chicken seasoning, and rosemary. You can marinate for a longer time if you have that time, but I'm just cooking directly and to see have the same feeling. So I'll add in the no cube, then I'll slice some onions. So I'll slice the onions, then I'll take to the stove top to start cooking. You have to allow it cook with its own juice first before you add in some water. So just chop your onions like so. So I'll add in the onions and I'll combine everything together. Let each part of the chicken take in all the flavors from the seasoning. So this is done now. I'll take it back to the gas cooker to start cooking. While the meat is cooking, let me slice the onions I'll use for the tomato base or for the stew base. If you know you don't like to see onions in your soup or your stew, then don't slice like this. You have to chop it thinly. While I'm still waiting, I'll now slice in the scent leaf. Like I said, you can use any leaf of choice. You can use ugu leaf, you can use basil. Any leaf of choice is okay for this. Don't cut it to be too tiny because it's going to wilt in the pot. So you can see this is what I did with mine. You can also use spinach, baby spinach for this. So let's check the meat. So guys, after boiling for 2 minutes, I'm now here to add in some water and let it start cooking. It's soft chicken, so you won't be cooking for too long. Don't allow it to be overcooked. If it does that, that means your chicken will be too soft. So just stir and cover the pot and let it do its own thing. So guys, the chicken is cooked now. I'm not frying, I want to air fry, so I'll put them in the air fryer bucket and then on the air fryer and let it start doing its own thing. I've added oil into the bucket, so what I'll do now is to drizzle in some cooking oil. You can use your oil spray, sorry. If you don't, just do like I'm doing now. So guys, in a pot now, you add in your cooking oil and let it get hot. So guys, the oil is hot now, so you put in your onions. Allow it to saute for like 2 minutes. Allow it to fry very well. After 2 minutes, you now have to build in flavor in the oil. So now I'll add in some thyme, some curry powder, and then some mixed spice. Allow it to Saute more for some seconds. After 2 seconds, you add in your tomato paste and allow it to fry very well until that sour taste is out. You know it's okay when you see that they are all separated. Just keep stirring. You have to stir so it doesn't get burnt. Keep stirring. Allow this to fry for 3 seconds more. So guys, you can see how it's looking now. It's already fried and fried very well. So now I'll add in our tomato blend. You have the pepper, onions, ginger, and garlic here. So just allow it to fry and fry. And you now allow it to cook for like 8 to 10 minutes. At this point, I have to cover the pot and let it keep cooking. So after 10 minutes, this is what we have. So I'll just stir again so it doesn't get burnt. At this point, I'll bring in our peanuts. So just add your peanuts, stir very well, keep stirring and stirring, and let it dissolve. Just keep stirring so it doesn't get burnt. This will cook for like 3 to 5 minutes. So let it cook. At this point, you have to lower the heat. Just lower your gas so that it doesn't get burnt. So guys, after 5 minutes, see how it's looking. You can see the oil now at the side and at the top, and you know it's okay. So at this point, I'll bring in our chicken stock. You know we have particles in it, so I'll get my sieve and I'll now sieve in the stock so that all these particles won't be in there. You know all the flavors are already in the meat stock, so we don't just need this. We want our stew to be so fine and so good. So you just stir very well and let it cook some more. So guys, look at what we have. Isn't this amazing? Wow, the aroma in my kitchen is so amazing now. So at this point, I'll add in all-purpose seasoning and I'll now crush into bouillon cubes. So I'll now check if it is too thick or if it is watery. But I feel for me it is a bit too thick, so I'll just add in some more water and let it keep cooking. So guys, if you have watched up to this moment, I say thank you very much. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, please follow me. At this point now, this is what we have. So I'll add in some salt. Let us know how it tastes at this point. I'll add in some salt. I will not taste it. So good. The salt is okay, all the seasonings are okay. So I will now add in some dry prawn. This is optional. And I'll now start adding in our fried chicken. I didn't allow it to be too dry because I don't want it to be a bit hard. This is soft chicken, so I didn't allow it to get too dried. Like I said, you can use any protein of choice. It will still come out okay. So at this point now, I'll just let it cook some more, and I'll add our sliced scent leaf, and guys, our peanut stew will be ready. This will be good for rice, for pasta, but not for swallow any fufu. No, this is not for swallow. You can see at this point I lowered the heat so it doesn't splatter everywhere. So I'm adding in my sliced scent leaf now. Allow this to cook for a minute because you don't want it to overcook. And you now turn off your heat, and guys, our peanut stew is ready. This will be going down with hot rice. So guys, please like it, please share, and give this video a thumbs up. After a minute, guys, our stew is ready. Get your hot rice ready for this. So I'll turn off the heat now and let me get my rice ready. So guys, our stew is ready. Peanut stew. Like I said earlier on, I'll take mine with hot rice and I paired with plantain. So get your plates ready and let us eat. Guys, if you have watched up to this moment, I say thank you very much. Keep liking and keep sharing, and I will see you in my